Hi everyone, and welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese leche flan. First, we're going to make the caramel sauce. So I have the lyanera here, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I place it over flame stove, and I set the fire to low heat. I will cook the sugar until it turns into light brown liquid. Using a tongue, I will tilt the lyanera to spread it evenly. Once it's done, I will let it cool until the sugar forms and turns into liquid. Using a large bowl, I'm going to beat the cream cheese using a handheld mixer until smooth and fluffy. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can always do this manually using a wire whisk. Please note that the cream cheese I used is softened into room temperature so that it will be easier to beat. Using a spatula, scrape the sides. Next, we're going to add the eggs one at a time while beating. So I'm going to put the first egg. So I'm going to use my electric mixer again to continue beating. So I'm adding another egg and I will continue to beat it. We will repeat the same step for the remaining eggs. So we're done with all the eggs. Next, we're going to add the condensed milk. We're also going to add 1 can of evaporated milk. Then let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We will continue to mix until the mixture is well blended. After mixing, we will let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the foam to subside. Next, I'm going to pour the mixture into each lyanera. So I'm putting 1½ cup of the mixture into each lyanera. That's about 3/4 full. Let's now pour the mixture on the second lyanera. With this recipe, I was able to make 4 lyaneras of cream cheese flan. Next, we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. By this time, I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm gonna place it on a large baking pan. The reason why I'm doing this is because we're going to do the water bath. By using this method, it will add moisture to the oven, which will prevent the flan from becoming rubbery. It also provides more even and slower heat source. Then, add about 1 inch of very hot water to the baking pan so it surrounds the lyanera. Then we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. So our cream cheese flan is cooked. We will remove the aluminum foil and we will let it cool for about 10 minutes. Alternatively, if you don't have an oven, you can steam this for 30 minutes at low heat. You will know that it's done when a toothpick comes out clean when inserted. To remove and loosen the cream cheese flan from the mold, you need to run a knife from the sides. Then we're going to turn it over into a plate. So, 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to taste our cream cheese flan. All I can say is yum. So that's how you make cream cheese leche flan. I hope you can try this recipe, and if you like this video, click on subscribe, tap the bell icon so you can see more of our videos, and visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com so you can get the full recipe. Follow us on Instagram at pagkaingpinoytv1 and join our Facebook page at pagkaingpinoytv. And if you have any suggestion on our next video, those things that you want me to cook, just comment it below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!